Hi guys, Chris Baxendale here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. We're sitting inside a brand new, completely redesigned 2025 Equinox. So it is equipped with the new Google Assistant, which is really nice. If it's not electric, it's still going to have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is good. But the Google Assistant, you got a couple different ways to access it. So you can do it from your steering wheel, right here. You can do it through the Google Assistant button right here. Hey Google, take me to the nearest Portillo's.
All right, Portillo's New Lenox. Let's go.
So, and it will automatically launch your route, and it'll pop it up here on the screen too for you. Or you can access it by just saying, hey Google, cancel route.
Stopping navigation.
Yep. And you can also ask Google anything you would type into your phone. So you can say, hey Google, who was the 23rd president of the United States of America?
On the website whitehouse.gov, they say, Benjamin Harrison was the 23rd President of the United States from 1889 to 1893, elected after conducting one of the first front porch.
Well, you get the picture, but so really nice Google setup in here. All the newer GM vehicles are coming up with the setup, so all the redesigns have it in there. So cool car. Come in, check one out, ask for Chris when you get here, and enjoy your weekend.